welcome back to my channel. Today I figured we'd go over March Ipsy's box. Boxycharm. I get the Boxycharm box, and then I get a, I forget what they call it, that little extra you pay $13 from. They chose for me, which I'm glad because I like Grow Recipe. I have the Glow Recipe Strawberry BH Pore Smoother Blur Drops. It's a treatment and primer. So it says that blur pores instantly. Control. I'm not. Well, yeah, maybe I am looking to blur pores. Alright, we'll give this a go. I got the Wander Beauty Trailblazer eyeshadow palette. You know, I have like 3 or 4 Wander Beauty eyeshadow palettes. And I've never tried them. I know. These shimmers look beautiful though. So, this is neutral, so I'll give this a go. I bought this. This is the Kosas Revealer Concealer. It's in 4N. As you can see, the shade's a little bit dark for me. Maybe I can lighten it. I don't know. We'll see. I also, what I chose was the Jasmine Beauty Beachside Bronze. Like, I need another bronzer. But I didn't like the other choices. It's a bronzing powder. It looks like that. This is light, believe it or not. This looks like it has a red base to it. So, we'll see on that. I also chose the Ever Eden 50 SPF Premium Mineral Sunscreen. It's water resistant 40 minutes. It says it's made with SureTech zinc, non-nano, safflower oleitech, sunflower seed oil. It says it's non-toxic, hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, safe for the entire family. I like the tube. You get 2 fluid ounces. I have been using the Biore UV Aqua Rich. I love this stuff. It comes from Japan. It's really nice. It's clear. This is a chemical sunscreen, and I can put it up underneath my eyes. It's called a watery essence. I like this. So I'm curious. This is mineral, so I'm curious. Apply 15 minutes. It's made in the USA. This one's made in Japan. So I'll give that one a go. Then, for my $15, they gave me the Ole Henriksen Transform Smooth Texture. It's the Utopia 20% Acid Night Treatment. It looks like this. It has lemon enzyme, 10% AHA, 10% DPHA, and I'll give that a go. The thing is with Boxycharm, they overload you with skincare. I chose this lip butter jelly, and I'm glad I did. It's by a company called TYS Beauty. It's a buttery treat for the lips that instantly hydrates and smooths for a finish. I tried this. I really like this. This is a good product. I'm glad I picked this. It kind of looks like a clear, light, milky pink. Very pretty. Then, as an extra, I have this company called Lash Step. It's an all matte palette, so I figured I'd give that a try. It's designed in the United States, made in China. And then I got scrunchies. You can never not have enough of these. So, that's pretty good. I have more to add to my collection. I have a collection of them from Ipsy Boxycharm. Well, anyways, that's it. That's what I got in Boxycharm. Let me know if that interests you or not. Some things I buy from there, like I've bought more makeup. I'll show you what I bought. We can do a video if you want to see me try on the makeup. We can do that as well. I have a lot of makeup. I'm thinking about on a Wednesday filming a full face of nothing new. So like during the week I can use my older palettes. You know, maybe like try things on by brand. We'll see. Let me know what you want to see down below. You know, because that really interests me. I mean, maybe you don't want to see that. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.